ITD is a worldwide leading industrial touch display equipment solution provider with an after-service center in Netherlands, combining R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and service with an excellence in varied kinds of industrial displays and touchscreen products. Started from 2005 and later expanded to embedded panel PC, digital signage, rugged stainless steel IP65 industrial displays, and stretched bar LCD displays, which have been exporting to more than 50 countries with 95% success rate of projects approved. 80% of samples done resulted in bulk orders, and 10% projects run already for more than 10 years. ITD also provides professional services in customizing products to satisfy all customers' requirements. With years developing, we have had a senior, aggressive, and professional team covering R&D, production, quality control, marketing, purchasing, and customer service. By virtue of powerful technical strength, we continually provide valuable solutions to our customers. In the industry, we are getting great reputation relying on superior technology service, our own designated industrial-grade controller board supporting wide operating temperature from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius, scientific designing with low radiation and power consumption, high reliability and durability, and high environmental adaptability. Customer satisfaction is our eternal pursuit in ITD. We are also persistently focusing on researching and developing cutting-edge technology of industrial touch displays and market-oriented trend to let all our customers enjoy perfect experience resulting in mutual win-win.